sleep tonight. I'm coming for you. Every single one of y'all in this stream right now. And you know you type straight in the chat, and you know you've been trolling me this stream. Do not go to sleep tonight. I am coming for you. And I'm not playing. You can look at me in my eye right now. I'm not joking, smiling, smirking, nothing. This is straight face. This is the most serious I've ever had a day in my life. You fucked with the wrong person.